Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the menu horizontal and vertical position. At first we have to click on this button to go into the settings, and here we have to go to the OSD control, here OK, and here we have the horizontal and vertical OSD position. We have to click OK on horizontal, and here with the plus and minus we can manage our horizontal position. Let me set it as it was, and here we can now go to the vertical, and as you can see it can go up so that you can see this and down to 0. Let me set it to 0 to show you that it works, and now I will set it to the 15, the default volume. Maybe not default, but my favorite, 10 or 15. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.